Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Dear viewers, in front of me Panasonic GH5, and now I'm gonna show you all you need to know about diffraction compensation on this device. Diffraction compensation. So this is the diffraction occurs when light waves bend around the edges of an obstruction, such as the aperture blades in camera lens. Okay, so this bending can cause a loss of sharpness in your images, particularly when using small aperture setting with high f numbers. So diffraction compensation attempts to maybe mitigate this loss of sharpness. So when you disable it, so the camera doesn't apply any correction for diffraction. When you enable it, so it enables diffraction compensation. So the camera applies correction to counteract the effects of diffraction. So aiming to maintain the sharper image quality, especially at smaller aperture setting. So that's it. Thanks for watching and bye. See you.